Welcome back to Auto Salvage Outlaws. Been cleaning on this for a couple of hours, I guess. My wife says, "Why you cleaning that?" She said, "Ain't you got a chrome one?" I said, "Yeah, I got a chrome one." I wasn't even thinking I had it. So we're going to clean that up anyway. So the way it's already clean. But then I got this problem. So here's my chrome one. As you can see. Looks close to the factory one. Until you get to this situation. That looks good. We'll line it up here. Hold on. That looks good on there, don't it? Here's the problem. You see the problem? Yeah, that's the problem. And I'll show you why. If you look, the water pump's got a little bubble all the way around on the bottom plate. That causes the gap on the chrome timing chain cover. Alright. Set this to the side a second. Now I've got a plate for it. The plate don't do no good. Now I've got the electric water pump. And it actually, the one that's lined up, it actually fits perfect. Don't think I want to run an electric water pump 428 miles one way and then run it all the way down the track and then drive another 428 miles back home. What are y'all thoughts on this situation? Am I missing something as far as a bracket that bolts the original water pump to the timing chain cover? Or should I just use the original timing chain cover? Really drop down in your comments and let me know something. I really like to use this chrome one, but if not, then I'll use the factory timing chain cover. Now if I was pulling the car on a trailer, I would actually go with that one right there, the electric pump, and I wouldn't even worry about it. But like I said, we're going to be driving it there and back. So I don't really know if you can run an electric water pump that long. So if anybody knows anything about this setup, drop it down in the comments, because it won't be long. A couple more days, I'll have my motor ready to hopefully to go in it, and I'd like to find out before I put the motor in and go ahead and put this on before I drop the engine in. Which I'll probably get the engine in probably Wednesday or Thursday if it don't rain. Let me know something, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.